Hello, I am Dr. Deepu Chengappa. Today we'll go over the steps to use a nebulizer at home. First, wash your hands and assemble the nebulizer by connecting the tube, medicine cup, and mouthpiece or mask. Pour the prescribed medication into the medicine cup by twisting the respool as shown. Turn on the nebulizer, let the mist flow, and breathe in and out slowly until the medication is done, about 10 minutes. Once finished, turn off the machine and remove the mask. Rinse your mouth to prevent infections. After each use, wash the medicine cup and mask with soapy water, rinse and let air dry. Don't wash the tubing. Use the nebulizer as directed to manage asthma COPD and avoid self-medicating. Store in a clean, dry place. If you have questions or if your condition worsens, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching and take care.